6 causes of poor gas mileage. Increase your MPG. We all strive to get good fuel mileage in whatever vehicle we are driving. Most high fuel consumption issues relate to some kind of engine problem, whether the problem is directly associated with the engine or something else in the car that is not allowing the engine to do its job properly. Here are 6 of the most common causes of your vehicle using too much fuel. Top 6 reasons of excessive fuel consumption. 1. Bad spark plugs. When spark plugs get worn out, you will have more engine misfires with your vehicle, which will use up more fuel. You need to be sure to use the best quality spark plugs possible, so you can get the most miles out of them. Iridium spark plugs and platinum spark plugs are the 2 most preferred types. A spark plug is what causes the air/fuel mixture in the engine's combustion chamber to ignite, thus propelling it forward. If the spark plugs are worn, dirty, or ineffective, then they can cause the engine to misfire. When an engine misfires, it leads to poor engine performance, which in turn also affects the car's fuel economy. Thus, bad spark plugs can decrease engine efficiency and force it to consume more fuel, thus increasing the car's fuel consumption. According to some studies, spark plugs can decrease a car's fuel economy by 30%. So, if there is a sudden drop in gas mileage, there is a chance it is because of the spark plugs being faulty. 2. Dirty throttle body. The throttle body is a vital component of the fuel injection system that controls the amount of air entering the engine cylinder. When the throttle body is in good condition, the engine will achieve the ideal air/fuel ratio and run at its best. But as the throttle body is clogged or damaged, you will notice a clear reduction in the engine power, and your engine will start to consume more fuel than usual. A clogged throttle body can significantly impact your vehicle's fuel economy. The poor fuel economy indicates that your throttle body needs cleaning. The throttle body of a car is responsible for controlling the engine's air intake. A well-kept throttle body means a smoother running car engine overall, therefore, cleaning this part from time to time is essential. 3. Bad oxygen sensor. Your engine has oxygen sensors which keep track of the mixture of air and fuel in the internal combustion chamber. Based on what it senses, it tells the powertrain control module to add the correct amount of fuel. But if the oxygen sensor is faulty, the system may automatically add more fuel even if the engine doesn't need it. If an oxygen sensor fails, the engine computer won't be able to correctly set the air-fuel ratio, which could result in lower fuel economy, higher emissions and damage to other components, such as an overheated catalytic converter. 4. Bad fuel injector. A bad fuel injector can lead to decreased gas mileage and occasional idling, leading to poor engine performance. That said, fuel injectors play an essential role in delivering engine fuel to guarantee optimum combustion. Obtaining efficient function may become a challenge with a faulty or clogged fuel injector. You do not expect your car to accelerate slower than anticipated. Unfortunately, this is possible when the injectors spray uneven fuel because of dirt. Your engine RPM may keep changing instead of remaining at a constant RPM whenever the fuel injector is dirty. 5. Clogged fuel filter and bad fuel pump. Clogged fuel filter equals poor fuel efficiency. A clogged fuel filter allows impurities to flow into the engine via the fuel. Clogged fuel filters cause engine damage, prevent smooth acceleration and decrease fuel efficiency. It feels good to get more miles per gallon by easing up on the gas pedal or making sure your tires are fully pumped. But if you notice that your car needs more gas refills than usual, it could be a problem with the fuel pump. The sudden increase in fuel consumption could be because the fuel pump is broken and sending the wrong amount of fuel. If your fuel pump puts too much fuel into the engine, you'll use more gas than usual. It's possible that a valve in the fuel pump isn't opening, which lets more fuel into the engine than is needed. The engine doesn't store or use any extra fuel. You'll have to go to the gas station more often. If you keep track of how far you drive between fill-ups and see a drop, it could be your pump. Sick dirty air filter. There are many reasons to have a clean air filter, but one big reason is to have good fuel economy. If your air filter is clogged or dirty, less air makes its way into the combustion chamber, making the engine work a lot harder to satisfy the power requirements of the driver. This may even cause a running rich condition where the air/fuel mixture is not optimal. So, remember to change your air filter at the recommended interval set by the vehicle manufacturer. Your vehicle manual will have this information. If the air filter is dirty, it passes less air into the engine. That is not a good thing. It can impact your gas mileage by as much as 10%, and it will also affect engine performance. Your engine needs oxygen for fuel to combust. Less airflow can impact power, acceleration, and torque. In addition, failing to change your air filter can lead to other problems, including engine choking or even overheating because of a bad air-to-fuel ratio. Generally, you should expect to change your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, although that may vary depending on driving conditions. Check the manufacturer recommendations for your specific vehicle. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.